and welcome back to our channel. And if you are new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. And Shruti, today we are going to talk about a very important topic if you develop game, if you are a gaming developer. So today we'll see that is it legal to play Ludo games with real cash, real money? Means is a real cash Ludo game legal? So today we'll explore legal aspect of these games. And talking about Ludo, Ludo is a timeless game which has been loved by everyone, may it be old people, may it be young people, may it be adult, everyone loves Ludo. It's kind of traditional game. But with online gaming, it has got a new face as real cash Ludo games in real cash competitions. So this way also attracts a lot of customers. Means this position, this kind of game, this market seems like a huge opportunity to gather huge audience, to generate more revenue, but legal compliances and responsibilities also play a very important role. So as a developer or creator, we should keep in mind that our application, our game always comes in legal aspects and always follows all the rules and regulations. When it comes to real money gaming, the laws always depend on whether the game is considered as a skill or chance. In many regions including India, this distinction plays a very important role. And talking about Ludo, yes, there is some amount of luck-based application and luck-based game, but it also comes in skill-based games. It basically comes in skill-based games because it has strategy involved of users. Means users have to play strategically. They have to use strategic movements in the whole game. So this typical classification places Ludo in legal aspects, but in the area where skill-based money applications are legal. Even if Ludo is generally regarded as a game of skill, but the rules and regulations, the whole rules can significantly vary depending upon the region. For example, in India, every state, means most of the states, have legalized this real cash Ludo game. But there are some exceptions like Assam, Odisha and Telangana where skill-based legal games, skill-based real cash games are also illegal. Means any kind of real cash gaming, real money included games are illegal there, and you can face significant problems if you launch your application in those regions. So, as a developer or as a creator, you should keep in mind and you should be aware about your environment, that in which region you are going to launch your application and which people are going to play your game. In addition to understanding the local laws, rules and regulations, it is very important for the developers to integrate smart features which will protect their apps against any future legal issues, any future concerning legal issues. One of such feature is geofencing, which allows your application to restrict or to ban the users from particular region where your application, your game is restricted or illegal. So what happens here now? Your application will only run and will be only allowed to run in the areas where it is legal, ensuring that you don't run into any legal problems in future. So summing up everything, Ludo is a legal game because it is a skill-based game, not only luck-based game. So Ludo is legal with real cash, means real cash Ludo applications and games are legal, but there are some exceptions. There are some states where it is illegal. So before launching your application, you should see that where you are going to apply, where you are going to launch your application, and you should also see about some smart features which will protect your application from all the legal issues. And if you seriously want to build your own application and generate a huge revenue in real cash Ludo apps or in any other application, then feel free to contact us, because here we provide you immense strategies where you will protect your application from legal issues, plus you will generate huge revenue through your application. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can visit our website for more information. And if you have any doubt or any topic you would like us to cover next, please comment below. Thank you, and we meet in the next video.